Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this Valentine's Day makeup look. This is going to be perfect for your Valentine's Day date. It is wearable, it is simple, it's easy, and it looks very modern and chic. I hope you try this look for your Valentine's Day or Galentine's. And now let's get started. Okay, I have a quick announcement to make. We all know about the devastating earthquake that struck Turkey and Syria, and the death toll has already crossed 20,000. It's a very difficult time for those people. So the rest of the world, we are celebrating Valentine's Day, and we can choose to be kind at the same time. So I have decided that whatever revenue I earn from this video, I'm going to donate it to the victims out there. If we choose to look beautiful on a particular day, we should also choose to be kind every single day. So I would request you to share this video so that I can contribute as much as possible. So now everything's said, let's get started. I'm going to use the Aqualogica Radiance Juicy Dew Drops. Instead of applying foundation, I will use this today. It's got watermelon, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It's light, non-sticky and gives your skin an instant, soft, radiant glow. Gets absorbed easily without leaving my skin oily or sticky. It adds a very pretty pinkish tint and is suitable for fair to medium skin tone. You can use it as a moisturizer, primer or a blush, which will give you an instant glow to your face. So now I'm going to apply this on the other side of my face. Just look how glossy and dewy my skin looks. It gives a very luminous and plump effect. It's also got the Glow Juicy Dew Drops for medium to deeper skin tone. It too gives an instant bright glow. It's got papaya, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid and gives a beautiful golden tint. These dew drops have a unique water lock technology that locks in moisture and gives you a glowing, hydrated skin. With each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need to get access to clean drinking water. Aqualogica is vegan, cruelty-free and clean. You can use my coupon code SUSH2023 for 20% off on aqualogica.in, and the products are also available on Nykaa and Amazon. I'm not going to apply any foundation on top of this because look at this, it's giving me such a beautiful glow, and for Valentine's Day, of course, I would want a little bit of glow. So now we'll go ahead with the concealer, and I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. I am kind of slowly getting back to this concealer. I almost forgot how amazing actually this concealer is. So I'm just going to use my fingers to blend this concealer and just look at how beautifully it blends. It just blends like a dream and gives an amazing coverage. I have my concealer on and I just like to put a little bit of concealer on the sides of my forehead. I just have a little bit of pigmentation here, so I'm just going to use a little bit. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Elegirl Pro Powder. This is in the shade Banana Yellow, and I'm just going to take some. I'm just going to apply it on my under eye area and blend the powder. And I'm also going to set the sides of my forehead. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. Okay, so I am just going to fill in my brows. This is an amazing eyebrow pencil because it just gives instant volume to your eyebrows. It's got a powder-like finish, which looks very natural. Next, I'm going to bronze a little bit of my face, and I'm going to use the Milani Glow Luminescence Baked Bronzer. I'm just going to take some and apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones. Just a little bit. I want this look to be very natural. A little bit on my jawline. Next, I'm going to take this shade, and this is called Birthday Cake. Oh my god, that's such a cute name. So I'm going to take this lavender purplish shade and apply it all over my eyelids. I just want to go with a very lavender eyes and want to make this look very much wearable and also very quick. Just look how gorgeous this eyeshadow color is. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm also going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. It just looks very fairy, kind of like frosty, fairy. It looks really cute. Next, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. Look at this shade This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pick it up and apply it in the center of my eyelids. This color actually looks stunning, and I'm also going to pick some up and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, for the blush, I'm going to take the K-Beauty Matte Blush. This is in the shade Coral Charm. And I'm going to take some and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. It's very pigmented blush, and I think coral and lavender is a very, very good combination and looks very fun and cute, and a little bit on the center of my nose. Now for the lip liner, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Bright Maroon, and just outline my lips with this. For my lips, I'm going to use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte lipstick. It's in the shade Tea Rose. It's a very pretty pinky peachy shade. And then I'm going to take the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss. I'm going to link all the products in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And just for that glow, I'm going to use the Aqualogica Glow Juicy Dewdrops. I'm just going to take some at the back of my hand and apply it on the high points of my face with light patting motion, and just look at that glow. Just the center of my nose, and that'll be all. That's it, guys. That's it for the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Do try this look for your Valentine's Day date. Even if it's Galentine's for you, it's gonna be fun. I'll mention all the products in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.